Our red pepper is cut. Our corn is just beginning to boil, and because we're going to be cooking it in a butter sauce, we can actually turn this down a little bit. Turned it down to about 4. We're going to go ahead and drain it. I'm going to add it right back into the pan. Bring it back over to the burner. And we're going to add another tablespoon of butter to that. We're only putting 1 tablespoon in now because we want to make sure that the corn doesn't stick to the bottom of the plate. We're going to be adding more a little bit later. And then we're going to sprinkle in our red peppers and add another tablespoon of butter.